Welcome back. In this video, we will be looking at 3D clipping. 3D clipping is a powerful tool that allows you to visualize and analyze the internal structures of complex 3D models. By using 3D clipping within the 2D, we can slice through a model and produce a view of its interior without permanently altering the geometry. This is particularly useful for clearing up unneeded geometry from your view and improving the clarity when a simple section cut does not give enough information. For this example, we will need a complex assembly with a drawing. For this, we will use an assembly of a steam engine that we already have and produce a drawing from it. That's the intro over. Let's get down to producing some views. Okay, so we now have a drawing sheet set up and an assembly loaded. We will start by creating a front view, a section view, and an auxiliary view. So now we have a drawing with some views, and we would like to clean up the auxiliary view to remove the piston detail. This can be done by using 3D clipping. Make sure the view you want to clip is active. Then, in the view tree, on the left-hand side, right-click on the auxiliary view and navigate down to auxiliary view to 3D clipping. Then, create 3D clipping. This will open the clipping dialog box. In this window, you will see the loaded 3D model, a plane with a green spot and a blue arrow. To the lower left, there is a pull-down menu with the different type of clipping that can be used: back clipping, clipping by slice, and clipping by box. The blue arrow is the direction of the view, and the plane is what is called the back plane. Picking the green spot, we can move the back plane to the required location, hit update, and the view will update. The clipped view can be updated at any time using the same right-click navigation. The view clipping can also be deleted and applied to another view. We now know how to add 3D clipping to our view. Thanks for watching.